Now we'll see how to use the rotate command and the scale command, and what is the application of these. Let us say, suppose there is one symbol of lamp, and this is the plan. Okay, so this plan may be any house plan or anything else, and in which I have to put some lamp. Okay, at this location I want to put one lamp. At this location I want to put one lamp. At this location I want to put one lamp. So already I have made one lamp symbol. I will just insert it. So this is a lamp, a symbol which is made by me. Now I will place here. So if you see, I want to just place it at this point. Okay. After that, I have to place it over here. Now directly I can move this by using M enter. Select the base point at this, and I will place here. Now I have to use this same lamp at this location, but the direction of that lamp should be downward. So I will copy this. The shortcut key for copy is CO, enter, select object, press enter, select the base point, and I will copy here. I require one lamp at this location. I require one at this location. Now I have to rotate it in anti-clockwise direction. So how to use the rotate? There is option. Click on rotate, select object, press enter, and select the base point. I will select this as a base point. Now if you want to rotate in anti-clockwise direction, you have to put the value of that degree in positive, and if you have to rotate in clockwise direction, you have to place or put the value in minus. As right now I want to just rotate it in anti-clockwise direction, so I will enter 90 degree. It will get rotated in anti-clockwise. Suppose this one I have to rotate in clockwise direction, so I will use again rotate command. Click on rotate, select object, press enter. I will select this as a base point, and right now I'm just placing the value as minus 90. It will get rotated in clockwise direction. So accordingly you may use the rotate. Right now I will use move instruction, M enter. I will select this point as a base point, and I will place it here. Now again, this lamp I have to rotate in anti-clockwise direction, so I will use rotate command. For rotate, shortcut is RO enter, then select the base point. The degree of rotation is 90, and after this I will use move and shift it to this position. Again, suppose in this case I have to rotate again, RO enter, select the base point, and degree will be 90. Accordingly, by using move instruction I will just shift it here. Now this is all about rotate. Means by using rotate you may rotate the object in any direction in any, with any degree. Now if you see the size of this hall and the size of lamp, then the lamp size is too much higher, means too much bigger than the hall, means it is not proportionate. So to make it proportionate I have to just reduce the size of this lamp. So how to reduce? For that purpose we can use scale instruction. So how to execute the scale? Press or click on scale, then select the object by which or that object we have to reduce the size or increase the size. So let us say I have to reduce the size of this lamp, so I will select it. After selection, press spacebar or enter. Right now I'm going to press spacebar, then select the base point. So I'm going to reduce the size of this lamp with respect to this point. So I was just selected this point. After that, we have to give the scale factor. In this case, we have to reduce the size. That's why the scale factor will be point something. If we have to increase the size, that means let us suppose I want to make it double. So in that case, the scale factor will be 2. But if I want to make it half, then the scale factor will be 0.5. As in this case, we have to just reduce the size. I will just enter the scale factor as 0.5 and press enter. So you may see here the scale, that means the size of this object is reduced. I can apply the same instruction for this also. Select scale, then select the object, press enter, select the base point. You may select any point as a base point, but right now I'm selecting this as a base point. Then enter the scale factor 0.5 and press enter. It will get reduced. In this case, let us say suppose I will just double the size by using scale instruction. So select scale, select the object, press enter, select the base point and enter the scale factor. So in this case, I will make as 2 and press enter. So you may observe here the size become double. So in this way, you may use the scale command to reduce as well as to increase the size of any object. The shortcut for this scale instruction is SC enter. So to execute scale command, just press SC, press enter, then select object, press again enter, select the base point and enter the scale factor. You may observe here, I just reduce the size of this object by some factor. So the application of this, by using this scale instruction, we can convert architectural drawing. Let us say it is in feet, so we may convert that drawing in centimeter as per our requirement. After that, there is an instruction which is called as a trim. Now there is a big application of this trim we may use many times. So what is exactly trim? Suppose there is a one line, this is the line, and another line which is crossing this line, and I don't require the further part of this line. That means I want this line, it should be at this point only. So we can't delete, means if we are going to use the erase instruction, whole line will get erased. But I want to just cut the further part, and for that purpose we use trim instruction. So how to execute trim? This is trim. Click on trim, then select object. So I will select the object uh, further which we have to trim the line. So I will select this one, press enter, and select the line which we have to trim. Okay, there is another way, means easiest way to use this trim command is nothing but just select trim and press enter and just click the part which we don't require. Okay, in this case, suppose there is one circle, we'll just see the application of this. There is one circle like this, there is one rectangle which is passing through this, and I don't want this much part of this circle, so we can't delete by using erase instruction. So we may use trim. So the shortcut for trim is just enter TR and press 2 times enter button or space bar button. So enter TR and press space bar 2 times, first and second, and then just select the point which we don't require. So accordingly we can use the trim. Let us say, see, this trim instruction cannot be applied for single line. Suppose there is a single line, we can't use this trim instruction for this single line. It is not possible. But if any line which is crossing to another line, so in this case by using trim instruction like this, TR double enter, and just by selecting the object which is just extending any boundary, we can trim it. So this trim instruction, it is very much popular and we may use it many times and very easy to use.